Okay, I'm going to show you a very simple finger picking exercise based around an A chord, D and an E. And I'm going to play it to you, then break it down slowly. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm playing an A major chord and I'm separating the bass note from the chord. So to play my chord, I'm placing my index finger down on string 4 fret 2 and I'm barring across the 4th, 3rd and 2nd string on the 2nd fret. And what I'm doing is I'm going to put my index, 2nd and 3rd finger on those strings and I'm going to grab the chord. So I'm not going to strum it, I'm actually going to get my fingers in there and grab the chord shape. Now with the bass note on the 5th string, I'm going to play this with my thumb. So on beat 1 of the bar, I'm going to play the bass note, and then beat 2, grab the chord. And on beat 3 of the bar, I'm going to change the bass note, I'm going to move my thumb to string 6, and then grab the chord again. So if I put this together, I get, and if we count through the beats, it would be beat 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second bar, I'm doing something similar. So on beat 1, I'm grabbing the bass note on the open 5th string, and then I grab the chord with the fingers, the A major chord, and then on the 3rd and 4th beat, I'm going to arpeggiate the chord. So I'm going to play string 5, 4, 3 and 2. So if I put that bar together, so if we hear that in context with the first bar, we'll get something like this. That figure then repeats. I then move on to a D chord. So I'm playing that by placing my first finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And to play this normally, I would strum down from string 4. Now in this instance, what I'm going to do again is I'm going to grab the chord with the fingers. In this instance, it's going to be string 3 with my index finger, 2nd string with finger 2 on the right hand, and the 1st string with my 3rd finger. So I'm grabbing the chord, and the bass note I'm going to play, that's string 4, the open 4th string with my thumb. So that will go, and then further move the bass note down to the open 5th string, which I'll play with the thumb again, then grab the chord. So if I put that bar together, in the next bar I do something very similar to what I did on the A chord. I play the 4th string bass note, grab the chord, and then I split the chord. So I hold down the D chord and I play the open 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string and 1st string. So those two bars in context will sound like this. We then go back to the pattern we played on the A major chord for 2 bars. So far from the top we've got this. Now this next bar I move to an E chord, and I'm playing this by placing my first finger on string 3, fret number 1, second finger on string number 5, fret 2, third finger on string number 4, fret 2. And again I'm going to separate the chord and the bass note here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, with my index finger, place it on the third string, then on the second string, and then the next finger on the first string, and I'm going to use my thumb to play the open 6 strings of my bass note on beat 1. So we'll go like this. On the third beat, I move my thumb onto string number 5, and I grab the chord again, so we get this. One more time. Okay, the next bar again is using the E major chord, but like before I'm going to split the chord on the third and fourth beat. So I'll play the open 6 string, grab the chord, and then I'm going to play string 5, 4, 3, and then the open second string. So these notes are all contained within the E major chord. So putting that bar together. And then I go to my 2 bars of A major, and on the second bar I split the chord again, so it's something like this. Okay, and that's the whole thing. So if I put it together for you from the top, this is the whole piece. I'll put a link to the tab that I've been using in this lesson down below, so if you'd like a free copy of that, by all means click the link in the description. And if you like this lesson and would like to see more, do by all means please like and subscribe.